Imagine creating stunning 3D models just by typing a description. Sounds like magic, right? Well, with shapen.com, it's now a reality. Just enter a prompt, hit generate, and let the AI bring your vision to life. Within seconds, you get a detailed 3D model ready for use in games, animations, or even web apps. These are some already designed 3D models. Let me show you a demo. Click on the option playground, and you'll be navigated to this page. Let's give it a prompt of cybernetic warrior robot and hit the generate option. It gave us the image. Now let's convert it into a 3D model. Simply hover on image and select create model option. And within seconds it will give us the 3D design. That's great. You can download it with below given option. Select any format, but we'll go with GLB format here. Now let us see how you can convert such GLB file into JSX. After downloaded, visit this special website, link down below in description. We'll use this website to load GLB model into our 3JS scene. Usually it's a lot of work configuring and animating all over models, but with this website we can simply convert GLB files to JSX components. Drag and drop your file here, and here we go. You can see model appearing here and also with code. Now you can use this code in your project just like that. That's all for today. If you liked the video, do hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to Innovative Stack.